My name is Cooper Kearns. I'm a career pilot and I'm from Cambridge, Ohio. So right now I'm a certified flight instructor. I've been here just over 6 months. Right now I'm in the private academy. I was actually in college for aviation. I was in college for about 3.5 years. Found out that I needed to start moving things along a lot quicker. And that's when I started looking how I found here. First couple of things that stuck out to me was the brand new facility and the brand new planes. That's a lot different than other places that I looked at. And then once you started digging into it, you come to find out that a lot of things they focus on is like the ground training. You do a lot of one-on-one time with your instructor and build a good groundwork for your whole knowledge. I graduated in just under 5 months, so I did it a little quicker, but also I came in with my private license. My student experience here was great. Came back to being an instructor. Seeing all the other people go through it with you is really helpful here. You kind of become friends with the people that you're going through with, and seeing that is really helpful. So you got to be motivated and make sure this is what you want to do. It's definitely not easy. What kept me motivated was knowing that I could get all this done in under 5 months. You just keep grinding every day. You know, you're here 6 days a week getting everything done. The other thing that keeps you motivated is seeing all the other students. It's grown since I was a student, but there's a lot of students here. Instructors are here every day. People are here every day working hard. So you see that, it keeps you motivated that you want to get done just like them. Most flight instructors fly 2 to 3 times a day, every day, 5 to 6 days a week, depending on weather and airplanes, things like that. But doing it every day, you're teaching now. It makes it better when there's everybody else, 30 other people around you doing the same thing. You know, see them working hard, it makes you want to work hard too. 67, okay. What do we climb out at?
72.
Good. So I'll be moving back home to Ohio, and I'll be starting a job with a 135 company transporting organs. But I'm really excited to get started because it's flying that has to be done, it needs to be done, and it's for people's lives. People's lives are at stake. To be able to get that to them, I'm excited about that.